My name is Vinay Kumar SM. I am from UBT College of Engineering. Basically, I am from ENC branch. After completing my degree, I joined to the JSPIDERS. The teaching staff in the JSPIDERS are very good and excellent. Keshav sir and Uday sir teaching was excellent. I am thankful to Uday sir who teach me the Java. Uday sir's teaching was very good and excellent. All the people can understand it. And the programming classes was done by the Sharik sir, and his teaching was also excellent. Today I am able to write the program. That is because of both Sharik sir and the Keshav sir, and also the Uday sir. And the HRs provides more requirements, and the HRs are very friendly to us and gives more opportunities to prove ourselves. Thank you.